So, it's good to see you in another video. YouTube decided to send me a play button, but not a silver one. I don't have that many subscribers yet. One day maybe. One day, if I keep trying. They sent me this one out of what they call building blocks. Yes, they are building blocks for sure. And there's 2 packets of them, which I assumed packet 1 would be for the first stage. But it seemed I needed some parts from packet 2 anyway, so I decided to bust in and just get the lot out. So I start off by assembling the first little piece. And it's not very stable, especially, let's just tip them all out. It's much easier. Yeah, it's not very stable, the first few pieces going together, and I wasn't really sure what I was doing. I was a little overwhelmed with all the pieces. But I soon got into it. And it starts to build up. The white pieces you can see through the gap, and it makes the play button shape inside. And it was this initial stage that was the most tricky. Once you got this bit right, it was actually a lot easier after that. Some bits were very loose and kept falling out, but once the whole thing's together, it stays together quite nicely. It was very tricky at first to get the pieces to line up. Stable enough. So when you press down here, it's not actually touching the mat there, so it kind of tries to fall off. But we got there. I have sped up some of this footage, but it's warts and all, mistakes and bits falling off, and my trying to fix it. But I won't talk through the whole thing. For now, I'll just shut up and let you watch the rest. Please enjoy. this far in the video, please consider dropping a like or a subscribe if you can, that would be great. It took me around half an hour in all. And I'd like to say a big thank you to YouTube High Five for providing me with this jigsaw puzzle. They also gave me a YouTube hat, which was very kind of them, and a sausage roll from Greggs here in the UK. They were the three things I got from YouTube High Fives, and I thank you very much for that. I enjoyed putting this play button together. Once I got the idea of what they wanted you to do and how it was constructed and where it was going, it became easier as you went along. Also having less pieces, or fewer pieces should I say, as you moved along, made it a lot less daunting. And there it is. Squeeze it all together. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. I enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in the next. Cheers.